Hello, this is Jesse Griffith with Future Home Loans.
Hi, my name is Jaime Rhude with Future Home Loans.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about the mortgage process.
Yes, so a lot of times I'll get emails or I'll have clients reach out and say, what are these steps to apply for a home?
Yes, one of the most common misconceptions is you contact and you get a real estate agent. First, what you really need is your mortgage pre-approval.
Yes, and that is what we can do to help you. A lot of times I will get an email saying, what's the process? Yes, we send them the link to our websites, right? Because Jesse and I both have website links. But what happens after we send them the link?
So after we send them the link, it's really simple. They fill out an application. It takes about 5 minutes per person.
Yeah, so you can actually, how many borrowers have you had on a loan application? I've had up to 4.
4.
4 people. So anyway, needless to say, when you do the application, we both have websites that you go on to, and it's going to ask you some general information like
Your name, your information, where you work, your assets. Mainly what they're asking for in the assets is your available funds for closing costs and your down payment.
Yes, of course. So on the loan application for the history, we want 2 years of home history. We also want 2 years of job history. That is really important because if not, we are coming back to you saying, okay, where have you worked at for the last 2 years? And once the application is submitted, what happens next?
Okay, so after you submit your application, what we're going to do is we're going to look at your information and see what we need further. And from there, we're going to hand select a number of documents. Some of them are pretty standard, like your driver's license, government issued ID, your recent month of pay stubs, last 2 years of W-2s. Depending on your situation, we're going to send you a number of documents, and they're all pretty simple.
Yes, and you can upload them right into the job. Screwed that one up.
Yeah, that's okay. Yes, you just upload it right into the system, or you can email it to us. And even with some of our old timers, we don't mind meeting up with those clients and getting those documents if that's something that they're digitally challenged.
Yes, so you can actually upload it right into the application. We send you the link. Once we get those, we will verify all the documents to make sure it matches what's on your job application. Once we do that and all looks good, we run it through the automatic underwriting system. If we get an approval, what happens?
Then we then send you that pre-approval. We'll send it to you, to your agent, and we do like to custom your pre-approval to the amount that you plan on putting an offer in on.
Right. Now, if you are self-employed, it's going to take us a little bit longer just to verify because there's more documentation that we're going to require, especially for that, or even a bank statement loan, which is something that we also do as well.
Yes, and we mentioned earlier that we want 2 years of history, but that's not always the case. Sometimes if you, we can use your schooling. So if you just got out of school, we can use that as your history and your official offer letter. So say you're going to get a job and you have no experience whatsoever. You just got out of school. You got that official offer letter from that new job that you're going to make all that money. We can use that. So don't just think that you're not qualified. Give us a call and we'll find out if we can get you pre-approved.
Absolutely. Well, this is Mortgage Monday with Jesse and Jaime. If you have any other questions on the loan process with the application, please reach out. We would love to help you, and thank you for hearing on us today.
Thank you. Have a great week. Crush it.